Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. This little beauty's been falling off since I put it on, pretty much. This should be easy. There's still latex on my neck, of course. Yeah! This side, however, is on there pretty good. Let's just start from the top and maybe make it drop. Just kidding, that's for later. The reason I'm talking so much is because I don't want to take this off, because it's gonna be painful. Okay, just one quick motion. Yeah, it just rips the paper. We're like halfway done. I surprise myself sometimes. Okay, one last one. Why do I do this to myself? I don't know. I hope your pain is amusing. I did not say that right. I hope my pain is amusing to you. There we go, Valeria. Second time is the charm. That's also not the saying. Our favorite nightmare fuel. And I'm all clean now.
Get on ready with me. Ice Queen edition. Let me take the headband off. I literally sprayed my hair white. Take these contacts out. I can see. I feel like these are gonna be hard to get off. Oh gosh. This is literally hot glue that I made look like an icicle. Shouldn't hurt as bad on my forehead. It's a gem right there. Get this glitter off. Or not. I'm gonna go shower and get this out of my hair.
Well, hello there, little freaks. It's time to take this off again. Y'all know the drill. I'm gonna take my contacts off first because I can't see. Much better. Oh, and if you guys didn't know, this makeup look is a part of my 7-part series for the 7 deadly sins. This is gluttony. I hope I said that right. Now for the good stuff. Lovely. I'm actually kind of proud of this one though. I'm gonna go wash my face. I'll be right back. And there we go. If you guys have questions about the products I used or just want to see the full tutorial, go ahead and click the link in my profile. Oh, and one more thing. Have a great day.
Get on ready with me. New Year's edition. This took me a hot minute to do, and I've had it on for literally like 10 seconds. Let's wipe off these beautiful, luscious, glittery lips. Oh. I'm gonna spray some of this. Oh, here goes the fireworks. Right eye. Left eye. This towel is amazing. Let's get rid of the forehead. Thanks for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? I can't talk. There we go, that's a little better. And now, I know I already did a miraculous makeup in the past, but I just had to make a scary one. I also know that her hair isn't black and it's blue, but I don't own a blue wig. Look at that, I got little scratches from Cat Noir, and it's like the mask is carved. You know what I'm talking about. I'm proud of this look. And now we gotta take it off. I only really use latex for the mask, so let's find an edge. Ooh. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Now you see, if I was smart, I would remove the contacts before taking the rest of this off, but I'm too lazy and my hands are dirty. Ready for the sad part? Oh no. Nightmare fuel? My phone's at 3%, but let's try to get a satisfying stripe. Oh yeah, there we go. That took forever to wash off, but I am finally clean. And you guys have an amazing day.
Take off my makeup with me. I gotta get this beautiful flower crown out and this veil. I'm literally living my Nicki Minaj fantasy with this wig. Take these contacts out. There's one. Oh, there's 2. Get these gems off. These eyelashes are massive. This is so pretty, I don't want to take it off. Here we go. Oh, depression. Like seriously, please appreciate the detail on this neck. Thanks for watching.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? It is time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Time for the good stuff. Okay. I wanted to take it off all in one piece, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I mean, kinda. This was my second attempt at doing the Lust look because the first time I did it, I did not like it. I am pretty happy with this one though. I need to go wash my face. I'll be right back. So much better. The full tutorial for that look, as well as the products I used, will be in the link in my profile. And as always, have an amazing day, you guys.
Take off my makeup with me. So I told you guys last time I did this, I had to go to the shelter like 10 minutes after, and I was considering getting a cat. Well, here she is. I got one. Oh my goodness. I need name suggestions. And if you didn't already watch the video that this was from, you need to. I spit water at my phone as the transition and made a huge mess. But the result, chef's kiss. Ow. I used liquid latex for this moss. And you guys are gonna kill me because I always do makeup when I'm supposed to go somewhere, but I was supposed to leave for a hike with my friends 10 minutes ago. Ah! The cats made a hole in my backdrop and now they're playing through it. And it's one of the most popular hiking trails in LA, so I feel like it would be funny if I showed up like this. You know, pop out, scare some girlies into running a little quicker on their hike. Could be good for them. I'm meeting up with Carter and Scott to hike. The holographic gloss on the lips, I feel like really brought it together. Thanks for watching.
Alright, you guys. I'm so sorry for that jump scare. But yes, it is time to take this off again. I can't open my mouth, or talk, or breathe, and I can't feel my face. It's lovely, I know. And here we go. Okay, I'm not doing that again. I'm not doing that. I'm just trying to get our lips. Oh, bottom lip is free. If I keep moving my face, I'm gonna get really scared. Okay. How do I don't know. Oh, okay. Watch this. I just don't want to stretch it too much. I want it to come off in one piece. Oh no, it has my hair. It's fine, maybe I need to do it fast. Oh, it's fine, I didn't need hair anyways. Okay, we're basically there. This. And you can see the hairs that got ripped out. It feels so good to feel my skin.
Take off my makeup with me, zombie edition. Let's get rid of these contacts. There's one. There's two. Okay, here we go. That looks good. All right, gotta get this one off the forehead. I'm in pain. Love that for me. Let's get this spicy little number off my neck. My cheek looks so chunky. I don't know if this is ever coming off.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. This is a look from my 7 Deadly Sins series. This is greed, as you can tell. I'm gonna start by taking my contacts off because I can't see. Much better. Time for the good stuff. Oh yeah. That was easy. Nice. And that's all? Just kidding, we got this one too. Oh. Okay, good enough. I've been obsessed with this cleanser, so I'm gonna go wash my face real quick. Eyebrows who? The full tutorial for this look will be in the link in my bio. Have a great day, you guys.
Okay, so I look rough, but y'all already knew that. And today I'm going to be wiping on my makeup. But not actually wiping on my makeup, because that's not possible. But I am wiping on my makeup in reverse. Because you all told me the girls will give me 100,000 likes if I did it. So here it is, TikTok. Please put me on the For You page. Like, come on, TikTok. I am begging you.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? It's time to take this off again. Honestly, I'm really tired and I only want to cry like a little bit. Like, it's nice, right? It's nice. Sadly though, all I can keep is pictures and I can't have this on my face. I love this illusion though because it only works from the side and when you look straight up, it don't add up. Okay, but also I thought it would be a good time to test these little makeup remover cloths that Santa brought me. I just put water on this one, so let's see if it works. Wait. I swear there's no makeup remover on it. Let's see if it works on waterproof eyeliner. I can't. This is witchcraft. I don't believe it. So I was gonna be like, yay, I took my makeup off, but no, because I forgot the ear. I cannot tell you how many times I've gone to work with paint in my ear because I always forget about the ear. But now I am all clean and you guys have an amazing day.
The time has come to take this off. But where do we start, you may ask? Well, let's take these fins out that I bobby pinned to my wig and this crown. Remove these beautiful, luscious blue locks. Oh my. Believe it or not, my eyes are not actually yellow. Let's take these out. I'm about to be Spain without the S. Let's do that again. Oh my god. My cheeks are actually throbbing. Let's see what this does. I'm gonna go shower.
Hello everyone, this is my official apology video for whatever this is. Let's take it off together. I take full responsibility for this, however, you were the ones who asked me to do it. And in my defense, you wanted disturbing makeup, I gave you disturbing makeup. But I'm still very sorry. Let's take her off. I deserve that. If this is in my hair, I won't even complain. Y'all about to start getting sleep paralysis demons that look like this. This is already nightmare fuel, so I don't think I can make it much worse here. Never mind. I am pretty much clean. My face is stained, especially the smile right here, but, you know, I had it coming. Please give me suggestions of what cartoon I should do next that I can actually do a good job on and not have to make an apology video later. Thank you.
Take off my makeup with me. Handsome Squidward edition. Alright, I'm gonna start with the bald cap. Oh gosh. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this chin off without remover. Ah! Part of it. Ah! Oh my god, that hurts so bad! I used some spirit gum remover. I can't. I literally can't. My skin is literally burning. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go shower. Get unready with me, skincare edition. Okay, let's get these lashes off and these contacts out. Now I'm gonna spray my makeup with some water. And I'm gonna apply this Cocoa Kind Oil to Milk Cleanser. So now I'm just gonna start rubbing that on. Get the forehead. Can't forget about the neck. Now I'm gonna go rinse this off. Now that that is all off, I'm gonna go in with the Cocoa Kind Texture Smoothing Cream. So I'm just putting some of this on. Now I'm going in with my Resurfacing Sleep Mask. Now I'm going in with the Revitalizing Eye Cream. I like this one a lot because you can apply it directly to the under eyes. Thanks for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, of course, it is time to take this off again. I'm not a cosplayer, but I'm pretty happy with whatever I did here. These things are just paper. This wig was $5, and I think that's pretty obvious as well. I look like Humpty Dumpty, I live for it, but I'm taking off the bald cap. Oh, and these? Cardboard and duct tape. Also, that one hurt more than I expected. Then we gotta do it again. No, I can't. Okay, no, look, 3, 2, 1. Ah! And now it's just the easy part left. Nightmare fuel. And I'm all clean.
Take off my makeup with me, Capricorn edition. This took me so long to do, and I've had it on for literally 5 minutes. Okay, I have eyelashes here. And here. Let's get these contacts out. This is depressing. I'm depressed. No, not the horse. This is a look right here. I'm gonna go shower.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? I'm Baby Yoda. But I won't be Baby Yoda anymore. And just like that, I am now human. I won't lie to you guys, I am overheating. That's better. I'm sorry, Mom, but I got your bed sheets dirty. I hope this doesn't stain. Shall we take the ears off? I won't lie to you guys, I spent a little too long painting these. Okay, just one more? No, I can do this, that's fine. I don't know why I always choose to put liquid latex so close to my hair. But now we just gotta take off this pretty face. Nightmare fuel. Green paint doesn't stain skin, right? Alright, I took a shower and I think we're in the clear. Comment which movie character you want to see me turn myself into next. I could not say that correctly, but you know what I mean. And of course, the most important thing, don't forget to have an amazing day.
Take off my makeup with me. I don't really know exactly what this is, but I feel like it looks cool. Let's get these lash boys off. I guess I'm just gonna start pulling this off. My eye is watering. I look very interesting right now. Let's try to wipe this off. Thanks for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Yes, it's time to take this off again. Also, I am Groot. I can't breathe, and I also can't feel my face. So, needless to say, I am very excited. The mouthpiece is already falling off because I've been talking a lot, but let's just... Nice. Now it's time to take this off, and oh my god, I am so excited to breathe again. Whoop. Oh, no. There's a lot of clay on my face. Oh, thank God. I can use my nose. Be gone, Groot. I feel nothing. Nothing. And once again, this is way scarier than the original look. Cool thing about covering your whole face with clay is that there's really not that much makeup to take off after. Contacts. And just like that, I am now clean.
Take off my makeup with me, zombie edition. Let's get rid of these contacts. There's one. There's two. Okay, here we go. That looks good. Alright, gotta get this one off the forehead. I'm in pain. Love that for me. Let's get this spicy little number off my neck. My cheek looks so chunky. I don't know if this is ever coming off.